Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Big shout out to Big Mark. Don't you just love that guy? He gives you so many top tips that I've decided to duplicate and do the same video but with my own personality. Today I actually learned how to get money for doing nothing. So if you download a couple of apps on your phone, you can get paid for actually just having the app on your phone. Panel app is the first one. Let me just show you guys. Panel app is the first one, which you just download on your phone, keep it installed, set it and forget it, and you get $120 a year. But obviously, if you do some more prizes, rewards, and sweepstakes, you can get gift cards and get paid on your Visa and MasterCard. And that is just set it and forget it. So there's number one. Number two, this one's brilliant. You know when you actually lock your phone and you have to go, you know, you've got that zigzaggy thing, or you have to put a code in. Well, how would you like to get paid for doing that? Now, yes, exactly. You get paid $60 a year just for doing something that you're actually already doing. Leave it installed, and you just get ads on your screen, and that's it. So all you have to do is just ignore the ad because it's only there for 2 seconds. Unlock your phone as normal. $60 a year. Now your bank doesn't even give you that much, does it? So I've done that one, and I've done that one. This one here is called Drop. So if you have to actually add your credit card and debit card and do your shopping, and you get points for normal shopping. Come on guys, this is just a doddle. So you just think your cards do points for every dollar you spend. 5,000 points is $5, 50,000 points is $50, but you get an Amazon card and you just use it as a gift card for yourself and treat yourself to something nice. Last but not least, this is my favorite. Microsoft Rewards, because you can actually get really good products with your points. So Microsoft Reward, if you download this one and use any browser on your phone, 10 searches a day, you get 500 points a month. You can get Xbox games, Windows gift cards. So if you do 25 searches a day or more, you get up to level 2, and obviously you get more points. Microsoft Rewards, you get $100 a year. And don't tell me I don't give you anything for free. There's my top tips today for just downloading an app on your phone and you get paid. So while you're asleep, you're getting paid. I did tell you I'm not called Millionaire Mom for nothing. Okay, that was your top tip for today. If you want a free gift on how to get more leads, or how to get 56 leads from one post on Facebook, I've got a free gift for you below. Click the link below, subscribe, hit the notifications button, and this month is a video a day. So watch this space. I'm doing a challenge, 1 video a day with top tips how I can save you or make you money online. So see you next time. Bye.